A Purplelily. Back in '93 when I was just a little seed, a baby girl of 6 of a needy family. Mom and dad always working, trying to make that green. They never asked, just demanded that we help them clean. Yup, they owned a business, cleaned the buildings. Been a minute since they quit it, but we did that almost every other day until about 10th grade, and we never got paid unless we ate at the buffet. What? You probably think I'm kidding, that I must be tripping, but we really did it. Yup. They had us cleaning almost every other evening, and we were cleaning almost every fucking weekend. And you know what it is, you know what it is, yeah. Yeah, you know what it is, you know what it is, yeah. Yeah, you know what it is, you know what it is, yeah. Yeah, you know what it is, you know what it is. When we were kids it was tough, we always had just enough, but we were short of the love that grown-ups never knew of. The OGs never knew better, been stuck too long under weather, from always helping their mothers and obeying their fathers. So through the jungles they ran, they had to flee from their land, to live in refugee camps, they had to open the plans. Damn, yeah, do you really understand? Yeah, can you really understand?